Yo, what up, everybody? Hopefully this sound comes through. I don't have my my earbuds in, so the mic sometimes is in and out. We just got the Stage 3 tune put on. The burbles are back. I'm just gonna run it right now and see what kind of difference there is. Once again, Carbon Heaven with all my parts. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's another beautiful thing, is no check engine lights. Yeah, man. So I already started to listen to it. I just drove off the place, Doe's, their dinan dealership, registered, and they put the tune back on. So I already know that the burbles are back. It's not a burble tune, you know. It's there. Pops and crackles because of the tune.